Hi, I'm Nikhil and welcome to new video from Technary.com. A new smartphone has been launched by the brand Itel in India. This is the Itel A26. Let us have a look at the features and specifications of this smartphone. This is a budget-friendly smartphone launched by the brand in India. It has 5.7 inches of HD plus display with 720 by 1520 pixels of screen resolution. It is having IPS display and has aspect ratio of 19:9. Dimensions of this device are 148 by 72.3 by 9.9 millimeters. The smartphone is dual SIM, which is having nano SIM slots and runs on Android 10 operating system. It comes with 2 GB of RAM and has dual rear camera setup of 5 megapixels, AI sensor and VGA sensor. In the front, it is having 2 megapixel sensor for selfies and video calls. It is powered by 1.4 GHz quad-core processor. It is having face unlock, touch and 3.5 mm jack. The device comes with 32 GB of internal storage. There is also a micro SD card slot which can support up to 120 GB card. It has connectivity features which include 4G VoLTE, 4G ViLTE, 3G and 2G networks. It has a battery capacity of 3020 mAh. It will be available in deep blue, light purple and gradation green color variants. Any guesses for the price? Well, it is having a price of 5999. So it is a budget smartphone with decent features launched at a price of just rupees 5999. So if you want to purchase this smartphone, don't forget to check out the link in the description below to get the best deals and discounts. Kindly like this video. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and put the bell notifications on to get the latest updates from our side. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead.